Happy Form Focus Friday. Today we are going to do suspended right angle pose, 3 levels. We're going to step out wide, feet straight ahead, find your best wide mountain. We're going to inhale into the oh how wonderful pose, palms up. As we exhale, we turn the palms down. We're going to pick up our left foot, turn the right heel away, so we're in warrior 2. Inhale, we turn the palms up again so the shoulders know where to be in the back. Exhale, we look for warrior 2. Try to find your best alignment, hips are level, neutral pelvis. Inhale, we turn the arms to the iron cross. As we exhale, just from the waist, we're going to do level 1. We bend at the elbow, maybe we look up to the right hand. Inhale, we power up to warrior 2. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, back to warrior 2. Exhale, iron cross. Second level, open hands. We see how far we can stretch on the inside. Possibly look up to the hand. Inhale, power up to warrior 2. Shoulders in your back pocket, squeezing everywhere. Exhale, reverse warrior. Third level, inhale, back to warrior 2. Exhale, iron cross, open hands, goes to the outside. Eventually the fingertips go down, gecko fingers, and the right arm goes over the ear. Eventually we're looking up to that hand. Inhale, power up to warrior 2. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, back to wide 5-point star. As we exhale, we bend the knees, hands to prayer. We could walk or jump ourselves in before we do the other side. Namaste.